Lacombe Ford and the Quick Lane Tire and Auto Center are here to help make your life easier this winter. Book your service appointments easily online at lacombeford.com and take advantage of free local pickup and delivery services. We'll make sure your vehicle is ready to tackle all conditions. Here's some quick tips to help this winter.
Keep an emergency roadside kit in your vehicle at all times. Items like booster cables, a car charger, blanket, first aid kit, shovel, and cat litter.
Use winter-ready products, including winter washer fluid. They're designed to perform in cold temperatures and will be less prone to freezing or thickening.
To help your battery in cold temperatures, run your vehicle every day. This charges your battery and circulates fluids. Remember to ask for a battery test when you're in for service.
When it comes to your vehicle, trust the local team at Lacombe Ford and Quick Lane Tire and Auto Center. Easy online booking, free pickup and delivery services, and affordable maintenance for all makes and models. Visit us online at lacombeford.com or stop by today.